Guys, today something's weird's happening in Gorilla Tag. It was happening yesterday as well. So basically, there is like a siren noise. It's to do with Lucy, aka known as Lucifer. And what's Lucifer? The devil. And there's the siren noise. And there's a new update coming. It's the horror update. We are gonna go see if we have it on our private code. Okay, guys, this is my fan code. You can join my fan code whenever you want. I'll probably be on there most days of the week. Okay, so we are going to go to City and see if we can hear it. It's the first time stepping in on our fan code. On my fan code. We can't hear anything yet. We're going to go see if we can hear anything. Come up here. If you see my camera moving, this is just for you, it can move on its own. Okay, so we grab onto here. How's it going up there? You use your back finger. Yeah, you use your back finger, like the one you do for the middle finger, like that. Or you can just walk. Do you want to go to the entrance of OG Cave, to the entrance? Just the entrance. Do you want me to go down? You can wait in caves. I can go into... I'll be going into OG Caves. We go to the entrance. Okay, come on up. Okay. Guys, over here is where the sound comes. But I was talking to a monkey over here, and it was outside the map. He did a glitch, and he said it was coming from OG Caves, and it's Lucy. Okay, so we are gonna head over to OG Caves and to see if we can see anything. You can try some cosmetics. You don't have to come down to Caves for me. You can't. You can't go to OG Caves that way. You can't. Okay, I'll go check. Yeah, my cousin was saying that you can get to OG Caves from Comp Course. You can't. Like, I'm saying, you can't. So this is where OG Caves would be, and OG Caves isn't there. So I'm heading over to OG Caves now. First of all, we're going to check Echo Spot in Canyons. We know there's nothing up in City. No, we're looking for Lucy. Yeah. Stick him up. I don't want to get copyrighted, so I'm not going to sing anymore, because I don't want to get copyrighted. I don't want to get copyrighted! Like, it's not my song, so I can't use it. Sigma Boy. You're going to get me copyrighted! copyrighted and banned, please drop a like. Please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. It will really help. Okay, so we need to head up here. Hang on. Okay, so we're going to continue up here. We are going to continue up here. And then we do a tricky jump to hit. Okay. And then we do stepping stones. Step, 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 step. There. Okay. Come over here. Just come back up. Ugh. Okay, so this is where Echo would be, or where we're standing. Echo sometimes. Okay. We're gonna head on the zip rope when my cousin gets up. We're gonna head on the zip rope. You can just get up. Grab onto one of the ropes. Okay, I'm on my own for a bit. Okay. Okay, we're gonna head over. Okay. I'm gonna. Yeah. Bye. Yeah, I'm just gonna head over to OG Caves. I'm gonna head over to OG Caves. I'm gonna head to a public lobby. Okay, I'm heading over to a public lobby now. And then we will be going down to OG Caves. Because my cousin doesn't like OG Caves. We are gonna be sitting to the public lobby. So my conclusion, we are getting private codes. So we are gonna head over to City. Okay. Okay, so
Right there?
I can't hear in this code yet.
Yeah, I've got it right there. I'm just gonna keep going.
I don't know if I'm gonna hear it again.
People, so.
I'll keep you updated. We're gonna head down to OG Caves. Let's go! Okay.
Gemma,
We're heading down to OG Caves now.
Who knows what the new map be? Hello?
It's a horror map, if you didn't know. Over here is going to be a horror map. Right over here, it's going to be a horror map.
Oh my gosh, it's a
I'll
British
keep you
person.
updated when
Hello,
So.
sir. You know, I'm gonna speak.
update comes. And subscribe to my channel. It really helps. It helps a small
Guys,
content
I have
creator.
a rare cosmetic.
We're heading down to OG Caves now.
These iPads.
Okay.
I won't have the bracelet on, but get a bunch of little kids.
So we're here at OG Caves. We're gonna see if we can find Lucy, aka known as Lucifer.
I'm alone.
Can someone spawn Lucy? Guys, I hear the sound. I hear the sound. It's Lucy. I just saw Lucy. I'm gonna go into first person, and we're gonna see if we can find Lucy again. Everybody spawn Lucy, because you can hear it in
We're gonna spawn Lucy.
city.
Alright,
So I'm gonna go find Lucy.
I'm gonna go and find the others because I don't know where
Can someone
are they.
spawn Lucy?
If I'm the victim of the ghost,
No, she's coming that way. I want to see.
Okay, this is the sound that you can hear in city at the moment.
I'm not scared of Lucy, but like, I just don't get scared me away, you know? I'm not oh no, Red. I got my body
Lucy is not very
or something like random like that.
what the
Get out.
I know.
It is echoing into city.
Call it Dookie, not Lucy.
Guys, let's go and annoy Lucy.
If you hear
stop?
any sirens in city, you know it's Lucy. So I might see if I can gorilla tag anyway, and report a problem.
That's back to reality.
Glitches. Can someone spawn Lucy?
Hey, you can go over.
Guys, follow me. I bet you. No, she's in there.
We're gonna head back city because we've seen Lucy.
What happened after?
So we're gonna head back city. Now.
Can you let me punch you?
Get off the mod.
Mother!
Like,
He's a mother!
You would hear it in
red.
What have you done? Okay, so
He's dying!
it's happening again. It's Lucy. Lucy has spawned in OG Cave. We know what that sound is. It's Lucy.
Get me out of here. Yeah.
It's only Lucy. That noise is only Lucy. In OG Caves.
Does anybody want to
Yeah, but can you find Lucy with me?
I'm going to be posting it on YouTube.
Can I be in the video? Would you be interested in being in a movie?
What? I'm recording now.
I can't even move. Why is my hand tracking that bad?
So,
You're not
we know
serious.
what this noise
I'm
is.
serious.
It is Lucy in
Q-A-
OG Caves. What the gorilla tag likes to call her. But if you don't play gorilla tag, it's known as Lucifer. So you know what that sound is. Don't be scared. It's just Lucy. If you want to see Lucy, head down to OG Caves and subscribe to my channel.